Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channels. So in this video I'm going to show you amazing system that I have designed for credit repair services or financial consulting services. I have built complete landing page and also I have built complete automations where once leads came onto your landing page, it will be converted automatically and send automatically follow-ups like emails, SMS and WhatsApp as well. I have built all system in all in one place without buying multiple tools like for email separate, for SMS separate. So you have all in one tools that's called GoHighLevel CRM I am going to use, and it's not a costly. If you can go with my affiliate link, you will get 1 month free trial and without adding code. So after that you can use it and I will provide you this complete system as well. So let me show you this complete system and you can boost your sales, you can convert your leads and you can make them a customer and make money and make your business growth. So let me dive in video without wasting time and I will show you step by step. So I just first of all I can show you the funnel that I have designed for credit repair services, and I will show you step by step how its amazing funnels work for you. And I have built with the booking system, with the follow-up system, with SMS system, with emails, with calls and lead nurturing as well. And here you can see that's just a dummy content. I can change content according to your requirement. And here you can see I have designed this amazing hero section with about us, and here we have some experiences, promo results, that's a call to actions here as well. For example, someone click on a booking button, what happening on it I will show you. I have some trusted related services, and here where you can ask your clients feedback or your own video you can put here and book your free consultation. I will show you as well. That's feedbacks of your clients. That's just dummy, but we can change it according to your requirement and I can do these all things for you as well. Here is another section where we have some how it work, and here we have some packages, and here we have lead capturing form as well. Amazing lead capturing form as well. We can redesign or we can reschedule according to your requirement as well. That's a booking page, and here we have some booking system, and it's automatically linked with your Google Calendar, with your Yahoo, or if you have Outlook calendar, it will be, even if you have Apple calendar, it will be automatically synced with your calendar as well. So that's an amazing system. And also I can show you the backend. I will show you thank you page as well. I can show you booking, and I will, when someone book appointment, it will be automatically redirect to the thank you page, and we can redesign it according to your requirement as well. And simply I just go back, I just show you some backend automations, what happen if someone book appointment or if someone submit a form, what's happening on a backend. So I simply go to the credit repair automations on a backend. What we are doing, if someone submit a form in our GoHighLevel landing page, so what we are going to do on a behind the scene is when someone submit the form name is this, we will change it according to your requirement, and I will add a tag and says your credit repair form is submitted. We will create and update opportunities. That's how look your update opportunities as well. I can show you. I just go to the opportunities. I can show you here different stages of opportunities, how you can manage your opportunities, your contacts, your leads. So for example, that's your complete pipeline. For example, call is book, call is no show, is cancel, is order submitted, abandoned cards, whatever happening on your booking stage, it will be automatically redirect to those stage with the automation. That with these automations we have built here, we have built created update opportunity, create an update opportunity. We will say go to this pipeline and this stage as well. So we will say use a contact name and contact detail, and after the 2 minutes we can send a confirmation email. Congratulations, you have filled the form, and then wait 1 day, then send email 2, and we will say don't miss strategy call. We will ask for book schedule your call. We will send your calendar link as well, and wait 3 days, then we will send another emails, and same we will ask for to book calls or contact with us, and same we will nurture until they not book appointment with us. If in a 1 month they not book appointment with us, so we will redirect to the no book nurture system. I will show you another workflow as well where we have no book nurture system. So that's how they submit a lead form. This lead form, I just go back on a home. I will go to the home. You see on the leads form on a home page. Let me go to the here and I will show you. Here I just jump in it, and here we have financial offer, and here is a home, and I can show you here Yeah, that's the form. When as I show you, when someone submit this form, what happen on a backend. Okay, and I will show you another automation. If someone book appointment from booking page, from this page, with free consultation page, what happening on a backend. I can show you as well what happening on a backend. I just increase the automations size so you will get idea. When someone book an appointment and we will say appointment is confirmed, so what we are do on the next step, we will remove from the all other workflow and we will tag it hot lead because they book appointment, so we can call it a hot lead. Add into sales pipeline stage and we will say we will change the pipeline stage, consultation called is booked. Okay, and after that what we can do, we will send this email and we will wait and we will send reminders as well until they not came into meeting or they join into meeting. I just go back here. That's how we can book appointment, and we will ask for multiple times to join on a time. If they cancel their appointment or they want to reschedule, so what we can do, we can just go to status and we will say appointment is no show or cancelled, or they want reschedule, so we will just select no show. And after that what we can do, we will ask wait 30 minutes. Then after that what we can say, we will send an email, sorry could not make it, here is another link, please reschedule according to your availability. Then we can start SMS and emails until they not book our appointments. Okay, and I just go back and here is the consultation called booked status, and show status, what's the status of your nurtured leads. And if they are not coming and they are not bringing anything, so what we can do, we can send them a no book a nurture. They not book a appointment, we can start nurturing them until they not book our appointment or until they're not ready to communicate with us. Here is a lead status automations where we can check what on which status leads are representing. For example, in a we will say that event is a form submitted and other event is a form submitted event is open. So what we can do here, we can wait one day, we can put conditions, we will say email open or email click, we will add tag and we will send another emails according to the events happening, what event happening. For example, we have some send emails, and if email is open, so what we are going to do, and if we have sent a link, book appointment link in a email, and someone click on a link, what happening on it. So we are tracking all things from leads going on the page and to nurturing them, to converting them a paid customer and amazing customer for your journey for your business. So that's it from this system. And in a bonus, I will give you a complete chatbot free of cost. You don't need to hire your assistant to reply to your leads. I can give you a AI chatbot that will automatically reply to your all leads, and it will be book appointment as well. And yeah, if you need any GoHighLevel related services, or if you can buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate link, here is my affiliate link. Go to this link and you can buy whatever package you have. You will get these service based SaaS model as well, and reputation management system for your Google My Business feedback, for your Facebook feedback, and for your Yelp feedback. That's a complete system. You don't need to send a SMS or emails one by one to give me a feedback on my Google My Business. It's all things built in automatically with AI as well. Here we have kickoff call as well. I can jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step how you can implement this whole credit repair system for your services. And either you need any GoHighLevel related services, simply go to leadsflex.com and here you can book your free consultation. I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step, and all the links are mentioned in description box below as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.